and welcome to my kitchen. I was just having a salad and I realized how carrots used to be so much more back in my childhood. Like how mom used to make delicious carrot pickle. I still remember the taste. Tangy, salty, little sweet. But these days I have carrots only in salads. But hey, we can always recreate carrot pickle from our childhood with Samsung Masala and SunDry microwave. So, ready to dig into some flavor-packed nostalgia? After washing and drying them completely, I have cut around 300 grams of carrot into thick slices like this, about the size of your little finger. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds and mix well. I'm going to add the same amount of red chili powder, about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, about a teaspoon of fennel seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. To this, I'm also pouring in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And now mix it well again. You want to ensure that the masalas evenly coat all the carrot slices. Oh, also, this is how I like my carrot pickle. You can always customize the ingredients as per your preference. Now I'll put this in the microwave. Select Masala and SunDry Auto Cook button. Turn the multifunctional dial button to number 4 and select the pickle mode. Press enter. Now once again turn the multifunctional selector dial button to select 4-3 and now press the start button. The microwave panel will automatically show the time limit of 2 minutes. I'll take it out for a quick stir. Now I'll put this back again. We'll see that the microwave timer automatically sets to 2 minutes. All I need to do now is press start. I can already smell the pickle and I cannot wait any longer to grab a bite. And it's done. Oh my god. The aroma is incredible, guys. It took me straight to my childhood. Oh my god. It tastes absolutely delicious too. Salads are great. They're healthy, refreshing, and easy to make. But every once in a while, enjoy carrots the good old way with Samsung Masala and SunDry microwave. And treat yourself to some sensational gajar ka achar, just like we have grown up eating.